sister tells me, well, that you're moving on and never going back. But I'll outrun the truth, because you know that I won't.
Hey guys, it's Steph. Welcome back to my channel. So today's video, I forgot to film an intro. So I'm doing that now. Haha, my parents are divorced. Didn't tell you guys. It's been like a little bit over a year, but I just never really found the time to like tell you guys. I was gonna do like a whole like dramatic video, but I was like, it sucks obviously, but like I'm kind of over it. So if you guys want me to like do a video like specifically talking about divorce and how I cope with it and things like that, comment down below if you guys would be interested in that. But today's video is going to be my room tour at my dad's house because, surprise, I got 2 rooms and I have had this room done for a while. I just haven't told you guys about it. So stay tuned if you want to see what my room looks like, and let's get started. Okay, so when you walk in my room, this is what you see. So I'll show you guys from this way. So you shut the door. And the first thing I have in my room is these shelves. First up top, we have my little like best friend's plaque. That is actually from my friend Emma, so I'm not sure where it's from. I think it might be from Francesca's or something. Then the little pinata thing, I literally have no idea where it's from. My mom got it on like a business trip thing. I have this S that I've had for years, since my gray room. If you're an OG, you know what I mean. But this S is from Target. And then next I have this little picture frame of me, my dad, and my brother. This is so cringy, but my dad just like threw it in my room and I was like, oh, okay, cool. That is what's on these first 2 shelves. And then you pan over to my little like armoire dresser type of thing, which is one of my favorite things about this room. So the top of this is pretty cluttered, but like not in a bad way because everything is super functional. In this room, you guys are gonna notice everything is super minimalistic and I only have the bare necessities. I have this pink basket from Bed Bath & Beyond. It's super nice because I can just like take it with me to the bathroom. Realistically, I could just leave this in the bathroom, but I don't know. Just because like in case my brother's in the bathroom or something in the morning before school. So I like to have this in my room. In here, I just have a lot of skincare things. So I have my retainers, some shower caps, a ton of deodorant, some like gauze pads, Mario Badescu, face mask, and just like everything I would need. And then beside that, I have some more things that I just don't want to put in the bin. I don't know, I'm super weird when it comes to organizing this room. So I have a lint roller, which comes in handy so much. You guys will see on my bed, I have a super fluffy blanket that just sheds on everything. And then I have some Jergens lotion. That's like my family's like go-to lotion. I have my face wash, my toner, and then a big thing of Vaseline because I use it on my lips like 24/7. And then beside that, I have my wallet, which should go in my backpack because I keep it in there 24/7, but I went out last night, so I have my wallet out right now. Beside all of that, I have some more clutter. Love that. So first, I have this little like painting thing that I made at aftercare one day because I work at aftercare. RIP to that because now softball season starts up again and I do not have time for that. And then I have 2 little like charger heads. I recommend everyone to go on Amazon and buy these charger heads. These are like the dual charger heads. So like when I have sleepovers and things, it's super handy because like I don't have that many outlets like in my basement or something. So 2 people can use the same outlet. It's just so handy and I love it. Anyways, I have those 2 charger heads, and then I also have this candle from Home Goods. I really have never lit this. I don't even know what it smells like. I also have a super pretty lamp in this room, which I'm actually a huge fan of. It doesn't really light up that bright, but it just is cute, so I like it. Kind of reminds me of my one at my mom's house, but this is a lamp. This is from Home Goods, I believe. Before we get into what's in my little dresser thing, I just wanted to show you guys this little picture that I have, and I think it's so cute. It says, "Let's get cozy." I love like the rustic vibe that's going on in my room, and I think that this really helps because the frame is kind of like farmhousey, if you know what I mean, because the edge of the frame is super like rustic, and I love how like it has pom-pom. It's cute and fun. I like it. One last thing before we get into my dresser, I want to show you guys my shelves. This is the second set of shelves that I have, and this one is kind of cringy, kind of cute. I don't know how I feel about it. I'll describe that as we go through. This S appears again from my OG gray room. I don't know where it's from. Oh, it's from Marshall's. Okay. That is from Marshall's. And then cringy, I have a Victoria's Secret pink dog because when I first moved in this room, I really just did not know what to put on the shelf, so I had to grab a bunch of random trash from my mom's house. I'm still looking for a replacement for that. And then on this bottom shelf, I have a shell from the Outer Banks, I think, possibly, maybe Hawaii, I really have no idea. I have an empty frame that I was going to put my little aftercare drawing into, but I can't seem to get this frame open, but the frame is from Home Goods or TJ Maxx, same thing. Then I have this little mason jar filled with flowers. Back a few years ago, me and my sister had these like all over our rooms, so I just have that. The mason jar is from Michael's, the flowers are also from Michael's, but I'm sure you can find those like the dollar store and for way cheaper. And then I have this little gold phone. I think this might be from TJ Maxx. Yeah, this is from Home Goods, TJ Maxx. So that is it for these shelves, and now let's move on to what is in my dresser. Whew. This is an arm workout. I love this dresser so freaking much because I just think it's so fun how this like slides. And my room isn't that big, so I like how this doesn't take up like so much room, but it is super functional and it has a lot in it. So let's get started. So I like how this barn door kind of slides, and I just love the rustic vibes because my other room is kind of more clean and white, but this is more like farmhousey and like beige-ish. This is from Ashley Home Store, one of my favorite furniture stores. Haha, fun fact. So I guess first we can slide this open. I really just have junk in here. You can see that I still have the tag on this furniture. I just don't know where my scissors are, so that's gonna be a thing. On the top shelf, I have some leftover stuff from a physics project. I have a little crossbody bag and an Alex and Ani bracelet that I just have not unboxed. On this middle shelf, I have some tangled ass headphones, a Victoria's Secret pink bag from like literally a year ago, a hair straightener that I'm pretty sure breaks off all of my hair, and a Lululemon tag. And then on the bottom, I have an Aerie bag, a PacSun bag, and a Lululemon bag, and a charger. Then you can slide this little door over, and that's how I keep it because I don't want all that clutter showing. And then I have these 4 drawers that are so handy, and I love them so much. I don't know, I really like this dresser. So on the top drawer, I just have bras and underwear and things like that. The middle drawer, kind of satisfying. Ready? Look how freaking organized that is. I just have some t-shirts and some shorts for like working out or just like PJs and stuff. The third drawer, I just have 1 t-shirt and then 2 pairs of leggings. And then the bottom drawer is just empty because I don't really have anything else to put in it. So that is all for my little armoire. Just take a minute to appreciate the detail on this armoire. I think it's so cute. Is that even how you say it? Armoire? I don't even know. But I think it's so cute how it's like dark on top, light on the bottom. I really vibe with it. You turn and you see this big ass window. I love my dad's house just for the lighting because the window is so big and I really like it. It brings in a lot of natural light, which I enjoy. And then you keep going and you see my bed. My bed is definitely one of my favorite parts about this house. So I will take you guys through step by step what is on my bed. I'm gonna go over here and describe all this first. So in my room, we don't have any ceiling lights, which is kind of weird because that's not really common. I feel like most people have ceiling lights. So I have these 2 little lamps from Walmart. Me and my dad got these kind of like as a placeholder, like just so I had some light, and then we were gonna like replace it later on, but I actually fell in love with these and they were only like $7 from Walmart. I don't have any Walmarts near me, but we drove kind of far to get them. So these lights are super nice, especially for the price, because look, 1 setting, 2 setting, 3 setting. So it's just super nice because I can have different lightings and things like that at night. So once again, that is from Walmart. And then I have my little nightstand. The actual nightstand is from Home Goods or TJ Maxx. It's not my favorite. I think it's actually pretty ugly, but you know, it serves its purpose and that's all that matters. Once again, I'm not gonna sugarcoat this video. I did not clean anything to film this video. So I have a bunch of cords on the floor. I have a 10-foot charger, which is charging my AirPods currently. And then I have my Apple Watch charger. And then on my nightstand, I have a water bottle. I always have like 15 million in my room, but for once I only have 1. I have a chapstick and then my hard drive for editing videos so I can stay on my YouTube grind. And then I just kind of processed that I could put stuff on the bottom, so maybe I'll start doing that. And then we see my bed. My favorite part of this entire house is my bed. Okay, maybe that's a lie because the downstairs is pretty nice. My bed is from Ashley Furniture Home Store. It matches my armoire exactly because it has the same like rustic pattern and like the same like light wood on the bottom. I think it's so cute. And then on my bed I have some bedding. I actually hated this bedding when I first got it, but I actually love it now. So I knew I wanted pink bedding, but I wanted something a little bit less corally, more pink. But I actually think the coral kind of highlights like my bed nicely, if that makes any sense. That makes no sense whatsoever. This bedding is from Amazon. It's actually super nice because I can change it to be gray if I want it to later because it is reversible. And then I have matching pillow shams to go with that. And then on my bed, I just have some UGG sheets from Bed Bath & Beyond. Now I need these on all my beds. Similar to my mom's house, I have this fluffy pillow, which is kind of like resembles like both houses in one. I don't know. That makes no sense whatsoever. I was trying to be like poetic and it did not work. This fluffy pillow is from TJ Maxx, I believe. I don't know, my dad picked it out. And then I have my favorite blanket ever. I am obsessed with this blanket so much. It's by the brand Berkshire, I think. And I got it from TJ Maxx for like 20 bucks and literally the best thing ever because I got it in a king size, so it's super huge and it's super comfy. It matches perfectly because it has like hints of pink, if you guys can see in it. This is just so soft and I'm literally obsessed with it. I love it so much. Go get yourself a Berkshire blanket. I'm about to buy one for my mom's house because I literally am obsessed with it. So that is my bed. And then next to my bed, I just have like some chargers and things again. And then I also have another one of those Walmart lamps that are literally life-changing. And then I have my closet. If you guys know my mom's house, I have a walk-in closet. So this is kind of different to adjust to, but I kind of like the vibe of it. I don't know. I don't really have much going on in my closet because I primarily stay at my mom's house, but I just have a few of the essentials. So I have some hoodies, some t-shirts. I always bring like one outfit for school on Monday because I don't really stay here during the week. I have a lot of empty hangers and then just some sweatpants. And then on top is the bag that I used whenever I packed to come here. On the bottom, I have my dirty clothes hamper. I need to do laundry like ASAP. And then I have my school backpack just to get it out because it was kind of clutter. And then I also have a pair of sheets on the floor because the first time I stayed here, I had to sleep on these sheets and they were not comfy. So the next morning I woke up, I ripped them off my bed and I was like, Dad, get me nice sheets. And that's how I have UGG sheets. Love that for me. We're gonna move on from the closet. Then we are back at my door. This is really random, but I like how my door is kind of tucked away. It's like a little hallway. When I first moved in here, I wanted to add so much more to this room. Like I wanted to put like a little like mirror here and like a moon like LED light here. But I never got around to that, but it's completely fine because I do love this room so much. So that is all for my room tour at my dad's house. Haha, surprise, my parents are divorced. Haha, surprise, didn't tell you guys that until now. Haha, LOL, subscribe if you're new. Give this video a thumbs up and I'll see you guys next time I upload. Peace out.